Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mas and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. My dear subscribers and all my viewers, if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest fashion related content. And my dear friends and all my viewers, please watch this video till the end. My beautiful viewers, in this video we are diving into the executive denim of mother of the bride dresses. If you are a mother of the bride or are getting ready to celebrate your child's wedding, you are in the right place. My dear subscribers and all my viewers, from classic style house to modern design, we will showcase a variety of stunning dresses that will make you feel confident and beautiful on the big day. We will share expert advice on how to choose the perfect mother of the bride dresses, including tips on color selections, dresses length and style options to match the wedding theme. How to elevate your look with the right accessories, shoes and hairstyle ideas to complement your ideas. We have created a list of top online retailers and boutiques where you can find these gorgeous dresses, making your shopping experience a breeze. So join us in this video as we celebrate the role of mother of the brides and help you find the dresses that suits your personal style and the wedding aesthetic. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion inspiration for life's special moment. So my beautiful viewers, join us as we explore the latest trends, style and tips to help you choose the ideal dresses for your daughter's big day. My dear subscribers, as you know, you can see here 100 new design, 100 new ideas daily in my YouTube channel. If you want to buy these dresses, you can visit any online store. My dear friends, you can see here Russian model, American model, worldwide model, the best fashionable choice in my video. From classic and timeless design to modern and chic option, we have got you covered. Our fashion experts will guide you through the key factors to consider when selecting your outfit, including color coordination, fabric choice and the importance of comfort. Whether you prefer a long flowing gown or a key length dresses with delicate detail, our fashion showcase includes a variety of options to suit your personal style. You will also find valuable advice on accessorizing so you can create a complete and harmonious looks that complement the wedding theme. So don't miss out the opportunity to make a statement and crush beautiful memories with your family. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.